In today's video, we're going to walk through how to create this beautiful shimmering oil step by step. Let's get started. First things first, prepare your ingredients. Before you begin, make sure all your ingredients are accurately measured and pre-weighed. Having everything ready to go will make the process smooth and efficient and really helps prevent mistakes when it's time to mix. Next, combine your oils. Pour the jojoba oil and the sweet almond oil into a clean, dry mixing bowl. Once they're in, stir thoroughly until all oils are fully blended together and evenly combined. Now it's time to add fragrance. This step is completely optional. If you're using a fragrance, add it to your oil blend and stir well to incorporate. Be sure to keep the total fragrance level between 0.5 and 1% of your overall formulation. Moving on to the mica powder. Gradually add your mica powder, stirring well after every small addition. Adding it slowly helps prevent clumping and ensures even shimmer throughout the product. You can adjust the amount depending on how suitable or intense you'd like the final shimmer. Finally, bottle and label your product. Carefully pour the finished oil into a clean glass bottle. Secure the lid tightly, then gently shake to make everything fully combined. Don't forget to label your product appropriately before using or selling. And that's it, your shimmering body oil is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cosmetic tutorials like this.